Okay, so hi guys, I'm Sulek here from Sulex Marketing, and today the product that I'll be promoting is called Profit Nucleus. And this, just to summarize in a nutshell, will is actually a training course which will actually show you how you can actually set up your online command center, which is basically a hub-based affiliate model, which I'll be talking about in a short while. Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I review IT products, cloud-based softwares, and also teach you how to make money online and also scale your business to the next level by providing you guys with training videos. And so today the product that I'll be reviewing is called Profit Nucleus, and this is a product by Will Weatherly. And from the time I'm recording, I'm pretty sure that it has already released, so you don't have to worry about the launch time. But I'll also be telling you more about the product very shortly. So what you're seeing right now is actually the members area, and before I get into the members area, let me just show you all of the amazing bonuses that I've actually provided you. So there you go. So this is my bonus bundle, and as you can see over here, Profit Nucleus helps you to discover how the super simple setup of an online command center can actually transform your results, your online results especially. And so this bonus page will actually expire in 2 days and 18 hours and 8 minutes. So do make sure you check out the first link down in the description box below as soon as you can, so that you don't miss out this chance or to actually get all of my bonuses as well as Will's bonus, Will Weatherly's bonus, which he has provided himself after you make the purchase of Profit Nucleus, of course. And so let's get right into it. So what is Profit Nucleus all about? So this is where it will actually show you how you can get high conversions using 100% free traffic for whatever offers they promote. And the high conversions tend to be 80% plus, like that is the percentage that we are looking at right here. So this will be using a hub based affiliate model that has actually been the basis for major companies such as NerdWallet. So if you have not heard of NerdWallet before, this is a very big company which actually uses this very special software model, this affiliate model, which is mainly hub based. And even I have not seen it anywhere else, and so I'm pretty sure that you will actually be very interested in it. And there you go. So there is the conversion rates of 80 plus, and these are some case studies that they have also provided you guys with. And so let me just go right into the bonuses that I'll be providing you guys. So bonus number one will be the Access the Fuego Breakout. And so this is a product by Jono Armstrong, who is my mentor from Ministry of Freedom himself. And this will actually show you how you can get red hot traffic from Instagram to your affiliate offers. So it also helps you to set up landing pages, and therefore it will help to increase your conversion rate even more than compared to what it is at the moment. And bonus number two will be Jono's three favorite traffic sources. So over here, he will actually be showing you the best traffic sources to actually use on social media, and what is it that they comprise of, and how is it that you can best utilize it so that you'll be able to make and the most out of it. And then bonus number three will be learn how to make effective copywriting. And so the reason why I'll be providing this bonus is because copywriting is actually a very big part of SEO building, and the fact that it actually teaches you how to make effective copywriting will enable you to actually rank your videos better. And therefore if you're actually making YouTube videos, or if you're actually making any sort of blogs, it will let you rank better, and therefore the amount of traffic that will be going into your blog site or even your e-commerce store or your YouTube review video will be much higher than what it originally was. And bonus number four, which is honestly probably my favorite, is license rights to Gemini. So it's only for the first 24 hours. So I think it will be very soon, 24 hours. So I'll be releasing this video as soon as possible. So do make sure you check out the first link down in the description below to definitely get license rights to Gemini. So this Gemini is a very interesting product made by Jono again himself. So this is where you'll be getting powerful traffic from Facebook instead. The first product, the Access the Fuego breakout, the first bonus that I'll be providing you is using Instagram, and now this will be using Facebook. So there is that to also consider. And the fact that this is actually a license, right, it will enable you to actually use the services that are provided inside of Gemini itself, and you can actually sell it on like freelancing websites such as Fiverr or many more. And then you'll be able to access many more sales, and therefore increased commissions on your end. And so bonus number five is definitely all of the vendor bonuses that Will himself has provided you guys with. So do make sure you check it out, and I will be showing you very shortly. And so all you have to do is just first click the first link in the description box below. Then you just have to click any of these dark blue buttons. So click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. So this button, this button, you name it any of these buttons, and you'll be brought to the sales page, which looks like this. And as you can see, this is Will Weatherly himself, the creator of this amazing product. And I think this is a very unique product, because I myself have never ever seen anything like this before. So let's get right into it. So you just have to click on this, click here to get instant access, and then you'll be able to actually get access to the product after you make your purchase on Warrior Plus itself. So let me just show you some financial proof. So this is some financial proof. So today someone has made $338.33. Oh, the background is nice. Oh, it's changing color. And then so how is it possible? So it's using affiliate sales. And where do these links actually lead to? And that's right, so they actually lead to the affiliate offers that you yourself are promoting, and you'll be using your affiliate link as well. And so I won't beat around the bush. And so last 30 days, Will himself has made $9,800. And this is very easily he made using this hub based affiliate model. And so do make sure you actually follow this procedure step by step. And so these are the bonuses that Will himself will be providing. So bonus number one will be the profit code. So this is where you'll be able to see fast generating cash methods that work like clockwork to quickly generate money. And then bonus number two will be Exitus. So you'll be getting fast cash providing methods that actually also help you to get money. So all of these bonuses are actually very similar in what they do, but then they actually target different areas. And then Explosivo is you'll be able to use a standalone income source or as a complete business in a box. So it totally depends on your choice. And then bonus number four will be the CPA project. So this is a very interesting product, because click per action is what CPA stands for. And what how you'll be generating money is that someone just had to click on your ad or just click on the website which you have actually made, and then you'll be able to earn commissions from that. And they don't even have to buy anything. Is basically call to action, and you're using clicking as the source for it. And so those are the four bonuses that Will himself will be providing you guys. And then so Will is actually very confident in the fact that you will like Profit Nucleus, that he has even provided a 30-day money back guarantee. So do make sure you check out the first link in the description box below. So because you are literally trying this product for risk free for a whole whopping month. So do make sure you check it out. And so I won't delay it any further. This is the members area which you're looking at. So welcome and members area orientation. So this is the overview video, and as you can see, Will has a lot of subscribers, 1240 subscribers. And this is the intro video. Then this is his YouTube channel which you can subscribe to. Then this is the overview of Profit Nucleus and what is it that you can actually expect from it. Then these are the case studies and tracking. So understanding hub conversion. So this is basically where Will be explaining how is it that hub conversions actually work, and what is this affiliate model all about, because it's going to be quite different from what you are probably used to already. So there are the case studies, the SEO, then the product review. So how is it that someone has actually made the product review itself, and then the niche selection and creating of bonuses, because bonuses are such a big part of the affiliate marketing business today. And as just I've actually showed you my bonuses itself. And so do make sure you also check out all of these videos, and then the YouTube and blog for the Nucleus Powerhouse, and then email blasts to your Nucleus, because email marketing and building an email list is probably the number one way you can actually make money. Although it does take some time, I won't argue with that. It is definitely the best return of time and return of investment ever, and I can say that with proof. And so and the proof being me, of course. And so social media traffic to Nucleus, so there is that as well. And then there is also the hub exit strategy. So do make sure you check that out as well. And then the Profit Nucleus setting up. So this is how you're going to set up your hub, and this is where he will be showing you step by step as to how you can actually use Profit Nucleus to its maximum potential, and so that you won't miss any steps ever along the way. Then there are of course the upgrades which I'll be showing you, and these are the bonuses that he'll be providing you guys with. And then the resources, and these are the resources which you'll probably need for Profit Nucleus, which I think most of which are free, and of course the ones which are paid are optional. So do make sure you check that out. And this is the unannounced bonus, so do make sure you check that out, because he has not mentioned that in his sales page, which actually states the 4 bonuses which you will be able to find here, but over here you'll be getting something extra, and of course it will be amazing. And so let me just show you the prices. So how much do you think actually all of this costs? Let me just show you how much it actually costs on the front end. So as you can see over here, it's a staggering $9.97 only. It's absolutely crazy. And then the upsell number one will be the pro version of Profit Nucleus, and it will be $17 on the downsell. So do make sure you actually get the downsell for all of these products, and this will be providing you a path to take your main training to the next level, and it will basically make it such that you'll be able to see more in-depth case studies and also show more monetization strategies and traffic methods in line to get you with what you can actually get on the front end itself. And then upsell number two will be the done for you, which will be $37. And in this, as you can imply from the name itself, it will actually make all of these steps. It will do all of this for you, the support team itself. And takers of this upgrade will get content templates and email swipes, so you don't even have to actually make your own emails, and it will save you a lot of time. And then upsell number three will be 2 times license rights, so it will be $47. And in this upsell, you'll be able to get license rights and to get automatic approval to sell Profit Nucleus itself, as well as the deal of the way, winning profit code as your own product. And so you'll be able to receive 100% of the commissions for both the products, Profit Nucleus, which is the product I'm talking about right now, and also Profit Code, which is a product that Will has launched previously, and you'll be able to get 100% of the commissions on the entire funnel, so including all of the upsells and everything. So upsell number four will be Profit Nucleus coaching. So this is where you'll be able to get you'll be able to tap into Will's mind himself, and also tap into all of the experience that he has accumulated over the decades of experience. And so it will be an 1 hour Skype/Zoom coach strategy session with the creator of Profit Nucleus itself. So you'll be able to learn a lot from that. And then here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. So it's definitely 100% newbie friendly, and it's a surefire method, so it'll 100% work, and you can just do it once and you'll be able to get paid over and over again even when you're sleeping. So it's basically passive income, and it also works flawlessly in this year, so in 2021, and it's a proven business model, as you can see from the statistics which I've showed you on the sales page regarding the financial proof. And also it is a free traffic on demand, so you can also pair it with my bonus over here, so the Jonas 3 favorite traffic sources, so you'll be able to actually get even more traffic to your affiliate links. And then a system based on actual case studies, and so that will be all of the main parts which I'll be going through. And so just to recap how you can actually get access to this product is, what you have to do is you first click on the first link in the description box below, then you'll be brought to this bonus page where you can click on any of these dark blue buttons. So click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. So click on that, then you'll be brought to the sales page, and then just this is what you'll see. Then you can just click on this white button over here, so click here to get instant access, and then you'll be directed to the Warrior Plus page where you can make your purchase. And after you make your purchase, it will show you something like this page will be something very similar, and you see this blue button, access affiliate bonus. That's where you can actually access the 4 bonuses, the 4 insane and immaculate bonuses that I'll be providing you. And then this access your purchase is where you'll be able to access the front end of Profit Nucleus itself, along with all of the amazing bonuses that Will himself has provided you, and also the unannounced bonuses that are actually present on the members area itself. So yeah, that will be it for my review video. Just to actually recap the bonuses that I'll be providing you, will be bonus number 1 will be access the Fuego breakout. Bonus number 2 will be Jono's 3 favorite traffic sources. Bonus number 3 will be learn how to make effective copywriting. Bonus number 4 will be license rights to Gemini, and it's only for the first 24 hours. Since I'm a bit late, I'll be extending it a bit, so do make sure you check out the first link down in the description box below to actually get license rights to Gemini itself. And then bonus number 5 will be all of the vendor bonuses that will be providing you guys with. And so I really do appreciate you taking the time to check out my review and bonuses. It really does mean a lot to me. And so do let me know down in the comment section down below what review video you want to see me do next, or if you have any questions at all. And also do make sure you actually click on the subscribe button, which will appear in a circle, or you can just click on the subscribe button at the bottom of the page, and then also turn on the notification icon to be notified of when I'll be posting next. And most importantly, just smash the thumbs up button, because it really does help with the YouTube algorithm. So that'll be it for today. Sulek here from Sulek's Marketing, and peace.